Hey guys, today at Parts of Versus Do It Yourself, we'd like to compare a manual versus an automatic washing machine. For washing clothes, a manual, of course, the advantage is it's cheaper and it's lighter and portable. Of course, the disadvantage is it's very manual. And the disadvantage of the automatic, of course, it's expensive, but it makes work much easier for you. And if you use it well, it lasts long. Well, the steps for using a manual machine are as follows. First, you measure the amount of soap you want to use. Then you fill in the water and you add the soap. Then you mix it. Here we are adding more soap, so it's not enough. Then you put the timer for how many minutes you want to wash. It has a washer and it also has, for spinning at least, it rings for rinsing the clothes. After you rinse, if you have a pipe which is connected outside, it's easy, you just drain it. But if you don't have, you have to use a bucket to drain the water. Well, the next video is for the automatic washing machine. Check it out. Easy to use washing machine. It has many features. It even has eco-warm, economic to use. First, you load the clothes. Then you shut the door. Then you load the soap. Normal. Then you turn it on, power. I choose normal. Then you turn on the start. It will weigh the clothes and tell you how many minutes it will take to wash the clothes. You see, it's weighing the clothes.